Hi everyone, it's Donna from Shoot the Wind Creations. Thanks so much for choosing my furniture flip video. Today we have this beautiful sideboard. Now, it was a gorgeous piece to start with. My husband actually found it on Facebook Marketplace and it was $60. It was fantastic. It did have this ring damage on the top, and it was as if the clear coat had actually melted. It was raised. So you can see I had to do some sanding and a bit of chipping, but I got it down flat and you couldn't even tell it was there anymore. Then I went ahead and I painted it with 2 coats of a dark charcoal chalk paint, and I chose to leave the drawers and the door wood. I thought they were just so beautiful, and I thought doing the gray around the frame would really highlight the wood. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and I have so many more videos coming with great furniture flips. So you can see I just continued to paint, and I did put the 2 coats on. And then I ended up putting a matte clear coat on. I put 2 coats for protection, and then I did a nice wax finish on top. I really like the finish that wax gives. It's a bit of a satiny sheen, and I really do like it. So if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.